Uh, this is a live look at potential tropical cyclone number 1 as of midnight UTC 5 2:10 a.m. This is brought to you by zoom.com. Zoom in on the storm. I can't zoom in on the other computer I have that's currently live due to it being slow. But this one here is a pre-recorded storm, pre-recorded at 9:32 p.m. June 18, 2024. This storm will likely to be moving towards Texas. Likely to make landfall Thursday around 6 p.m. And then there's another disturbance around 6 p.m. at the same time. This is about the next 30, no, the next 2 days is 0%, next 7 days is 30%. But at this time, currently monitoring this storm here that's likely moving west towards Texas, no threat to Louisiana. Like I said, this is brought to you by ZoomOS, that logo at the top that you see on your screen. I'm try to get it to where it'll show the information. Okay. So no threat to Louisiana, like I said. So for more information, head to National Hurricane website. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and live updates on this storm. Again, this was a pre-recorded video. Right now it's 9:33 p.m. at 6/18/2024, June 18, 2024. Click on the card or the thing at the top right corner, and you'll be able to see the live feed of the information 24/7. This is actually currently live. This is not the pre-recorded video of the satellite. This is actually live, so please go check out the live video for more information. Thank you and stay safe.